Okay, so this problem asks us to solve this equation. We know that's an equation because we have a left side equal to something on the right side. And we have seen this type of problems where we have a multiplication and we can use the zero product property. However, in this case, we don't have zero on the right side. So we can use factoring to solve an equation like this, but it has to have zero on one of the sides. So if it doesn't have a zero on one of the sides, what do we do? So here is how we do it. We have to multiply this out first and then bring the 4x on the other side and make zero on one side. Right? So let's multiply out. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 4 is 12x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12 equal 4x. Now you can collect the like terms first on the left side. So we have 3x squared plus 9x minus 12. And we have a quadratic equation because we have the x squared here and x and no x, but we have the 4x on the right side and we don't like that, right? So we have to subtract 4x both sides, and I will put that 4x underneath the 9x because they're like terms, and I can add them up and get 3x squared plus 5x minus 12 equal to 0. So now I have the 0 on one side that agrees with my zero product property, and so the next step is to make a product. So remember, that means that I need to use that big X. We do the A times the C, right? So A is 3 and C is negative 12, and we have to multiply those two. And I get negative 36, and B is 5, so we have the sum of 5. So what two numbers multiply to negative 36 and add to 5? So let's start with negative 36. That's equal to 1 times negative 36, or negative 1 times 36. 2 times negative 18, negative 2 times 18, 3, right? Remember, we go from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. 3 times negative 12, negative 3 times 12, 4 times 9, negative 9, negative 4 times 9, 5, it's not a factor, 6 times negative 6, negative 6 times 6. Oh, well, I already got to the same two numbers. So now I have to choose the pair that adds up to positive 5, and that's these two. So I have a negative 4 and a positive 9. So I will use these two, negative 4x plus 9x, to break the 5x into, and then copy the 3x squared and the 12 equal to 0. Next, we will factor out x from the first two, and then factor out 3 from the last two. Now we have a common factor of 3x minus 4. That will be my common factor in front of the parentheses. So we will put this one copy of this common factor of 3x minus 4 times x plus 3, and this is equal to 0. So now, because I have a product equal to 0, I could set up each of them. So I can say, okay, then this can be 0. 0 times something, it's 0. So 3x minus 4 equal to 0. To solve this, we will add 4 both sides, and then divide by 3, x equal 4 over 3. And then also we can say that we can have x plus 3 equals 0. So subtract 3 both sides, x equal negative 3. So solutions, we have x equal -3 and 4/3.